Assalamualaikum students, I hope you all are well. Today we are going to do our next two pages, page number 21 plus page number 22. We are going to start our work from page number 21. Here we have counting in tens. Students, you learned counting in tens before. Today we are going to revise it. Here we have question number 1 and the question is, write the missing numbers and learn the number names. Students, here we have some stacks of tens. We are going to learn counting in tens with the help of these stacks. Students, we are going to start from here. Here we have just one stack of 10, one stack of 10, which make the number 10. 10 in number, then 10 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have two stacks of tens. Two stacks of tens make the number 20. We are going to write 20 in numbers first. 20, 20. 20 in numbers, then 20 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have three stacks of 10. Three stacks of 10, which make the number 30. We are going to write 30 in numbers. 30, 30. 30 in numbers, then 30 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have four stacks of tens. Four stack of 10, which make the number 40. We are going to write 40 in number. 40, 40. 40 in number, then 40 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have 5 stacks of 10. 5 stacks of 10, which make the number 50. We are going to write 50 in number. 50, 50. 50 in numbers, then 50 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have 6 stacks of 10. 6 stacks of 10. Students, these stacks make the number 60. We are going to write 60 in numbers here. 60, 60. 60 in numbers, then 60 in words. Here we have 7 stacks of tens. 7 stacks of tens make the number 70. We are going to write 70 in numbers. 70, 70. 70 in numbers, then 70 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have 8 stacks of tens. 8 stacks of tens make the number 80. We are going to write 80 in numbers in the box. 80, 80. 80 in number, then 80 in words. Go for the next one. Here we have 9 stacks of tens. 9 stacks of 10 make the number 90. We are going to write 90 in the box. 90, 90. 90 in number, then 90 in words. Students, go to the next page for further work. Here we have page number 22. At page 22, here we have question number 2. And the question is, count in tens and write in ascending order. Students, you learned about ascending order before. Today, we are going to revise ascending and descending order. Ascending order. When we arrange number from smallest one to greatest one, we call it ascending order. Students, here we have to do counting in tens in ascending order. 10 is the smallest one, so 10 is written at the first. Then 20. Here we have to write 30. 30, 30. After 30, we will write 40. 40, 40. Then 50, 50, 50. Then 60, 60, 60. 70, 70, 70. 80, 80, 80. And the last number is 90, 90, 90. Students, let's revise it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. We done counting in tens in ascending order. Go for the next one. Here we have question number 3 and the question is count in tens and write in descending order. Students, do you know what is descending order? Let me tell you. When we arrange number from the greatest one to the smallest one, we say they are in descending order. Students, we have to do counting in tens in descending order. 90 is the biggest one, so 90 is written at the first box. Then 80, because 80 is smaller than 90. Then we have to write smaller number from 80. Which one is 70? Write 70 in the box. 70, 70. After 70, we will write 60 here. 60, 60. Then 50, 50, 50. After 50, we will write the number smaller than 50, which is 40. Write 40 in the box. 40, 40. After 40, we will write 30 here. 30, 30. Then 20, 20, 20. And the last number is 10. Write 10 here. Now students, let's revise it. 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. We done counting in tens in descending order. Go for the next one. Here we have question number 4 and the question is which is greater, which is smaller. Write in the empty boxes. One has been done for you. Students, here we have some boxes and numbers too. We are going to compare these two numbers and identify which one is greater than and which one is smaller than. Point A is done for our help. Here we have 40 is smaller than 60. Go for the next one. Students, here we have point B. At point B, here we have two numbers 10, 20. We are going to compare these two numbers and identify which one is smaller than. 10 is smaller than 20. So we will write smaller in the box. S, M, A, L, L, E, R. Smaller. Go for the next one. Here we have point C. At point C, we have two numbers 50 and 40. We are going to compare these two numbers. Which one is greater than? 50 is greater from 40. So we will write here greater. G, R, E, A, T, E, R. Greater. 50 is greater than 40. Go for the next one. Here we have point D. At point D, here we have two numbers 80 and 30. We are going to compare these two. 80 is greater than 30. So we will write greater in the box. G, R, E, A, T, E, R. Greater. 80 is greater than 30. Go for the next one. Here we have point E. At point E, here we have two numbers 70 and 50. We are going to compare these two numbers. Students, 70 is greater, so we will write greater in the box. G, R, E, A, T, E, R. Greater. 70 is greater than 50. Go for the next one. Here we have point F. At point F, here we have two numbers 90 and 70. Students, we are going to compare these two numbers. 90 is greater, so we will write greater in the box. G, R, E, A, T, E, R. Greater. 90 is greater than 70. Go for the next one. Here we have point G. At point G, here we have two numbers 20 and 40. we are going to compare these two numbers. 20 is smaller than 40, so we will write smaller in the box as M A L L E R. 20 is smaller than 40. Go for the next one. Here we have point H. At point H, here we have two numbers, 60 and 70. We are going to compare these two numbers. Students, 60 is smaller than 70. So we will write smaller in the box as M A L L E R. Smaller. 60 is smaller than 70. Students, our today's work is complete. You have to do it in neat way. Stay at your home. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.